Well, I got my butt handed to me last week, and so I decided to take off and do some fishing. And I was hoping was that I would clear it out, get some perspective, and when I came back after taking 3 days off of trading, that I would have a whole new idea, and I wouldn't be addicted to the things that I was addicted to before that weren't healthy to be addicted to. But in the end, I still succumbed to a little bit of it. It's okay because I'm actually making progress, and that's all I can say. Basically, had some good trades and some bad trades. This one was kind of a fear of missing out. It's a FOMO trade. I was like, oh, it's going down. I got to grab onto before it falls. Like, no, you ended up just buying at the bottom, and then it just channeled. So that sucked. This one, when something like that happens, I think, oh my God, it's got to correct. And so I did. I bought here, and it was bouncing up, and I sold for a handsome profit, and that should have been it. I mean, that's not in the system at all, the system I'm supposed to be trading. But I just can't resist a big bar like that. And I should have quit when I was ahead. But then this looked like it was falling, and I did the same thing again, and then it's not encouraging because yeah, I made money and it was quick money, but then I get kind of addicted to that adrenaline shoot, and I'm looking for that again. So I ended up putting it all back a little bit later. So I was up quite a bit, and then overall in the end, I was out. I think I'm just going to stop trading this chart. Momo's rigged up, man. It's always just wild. First of all, I had a keystroke error, so that cost me, and so then I didn't get in when I meant to get in, and then I got knocked out another bar later. It just went the other way. It's like, hey, we're in up stock. We have all this support. Now we're gonna go up. No, we're gonna go down. This one, now this was interesting because I see myself projecting. I had fun with this one last week when I got my butt handed to me. And I projected that onto today, and that wasn't today. That was last week, and so I basically just lost there. Yeah, not a good situation. This one, the tails were just killing me. This one, nice. Let me see here. PCG. Yeah, this one, totally do not feel bad about this one. This looked like exactly how it was supposed to look. It just went the other way. This was my most successful trade of the day, easily. So I've got a nice support there. It jumped up big, and I was like, great, I'm going to take half my profits down. And then it went way up here. I let it trail because it did some upsy downsies, and if I would have trailed too close, it would have stopped me off. Yeah, I did get on here, but this was kind of where I had moved my stop loss up after a couple of these big green bars. So this was the most textbook beautiful trade that I had of the day. This one, this tail just knocked me out, sucked. And this one, my stop loss was too close. That was just total beginner's mistake. I just got the stop loss too close, and I got knocked out on the same bar. But as you see, if I would have stuck in it, well, this tail would have knocked me out. Were that tail not there, I would have had a nice little climb here. So, all in all, when I follow the system, it works. I probably would have been 50-50 today, and maybe that would have been a break even, but I avoided a lot of trades that I should have. So that was progress. It doesn't usually show, it didn't show up too much in the P&L, but it was still pretty darn good. So it's more of a mental progress that I'm making, so it's hard to see that on the P&L, but you'll see it here pretty soon.